Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to archive chats in ChatGPT. To archive chats in ChatGPT, open your ChatGPT application on your device and make sure to log in. Once you're in the home page, tap the menu button at the top left corner. This will then show you a list of your previous conversations. Press and hold the chat you want to archive, and from the pop-up at the bottom, click on Archive. Once you do that, in the pop-up, click on Archive once again, and that way, you should be able to archive a chat. The archived chat will then be moved to the archive folder, and that's how you easily archive your chat in ChatGPT. You can view your archived chats later from the archive section whenever needed. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.